Here's some heraldry designs trivia. Subscribe. Which color signifies bravery in heraldry? Is it A, yellow, B, red, C, or D, green? The correct answer is B, red. What shape represents a recognizable family emblem? Is it A, tartan pattern coat of arms, C, logo design, or D, emblem badge? The correct answer is B, coat of arms. What is the term for a heraldic pattern? Is it A, color, B, emblem, C, tincture, or D, crest? The correct answer is C, tincture. Which plant is frequently used as a heraldic symbol? Is it A, fern, B, rose, C, daisy, or D, sunflower? The correct answer is B, rose. What distinguishes a family from others in heraldry? Is it A, supporters, B, charges, C, motto, or D, crest? The correct answer is D, crest. What design feature indicates nobility in heraldry? Is it A, prestige, B, valor, C, chivalry, or D, honor? The correct answer is C, chivalry. What term refers to the background color of an emblem? Is it A, color scheme, B, background, C, design element, or D, field? The correct answer is D, field. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.